Okay, from the pool area, we're going back and inside. So far, nakita namin yung indoor at saka outdoor na tennis court. Then they have very nice pool with jacuzzi. We're going to yung area for breakfast. Breakfast kami. Kuya. Hindi ba? Kung doon sa onsen, lahat ng gamit mo iiwan mo?
May locker sila.
May locker individual. Then they have a person supervising doon.
Yep.
You cannot bring ano to.
Cold ka lang. Camera of this stuff. Can bring your phone, but not bring cameras.
Ganda, oh. We're going inside. This is yung lobby ng Hilton. They have yung parang mga items, no? Hilton na shop, which is still closed because it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Open na ba? Breakfast, it's 7 o'clock. They have the coffee shop here. Very nice coffee shop. We're going breakfast area. This is their nice lobby. Good. They have yung 7:01 7 a.m. Your breakfast is 7:01.
3 people.
One went drunk.
4 people.
4 people.
12. And then are other rooms there already? 8:01.
Okay, yeah, 4 tables.
So we're 12.
Right?
Nandiyan na sila.
Okay.
Okay.
Like,